It was in the year 1971 in the city of Ramsar, a convention of different country leaders took place in order to protect the important wetlands of the world. And the convention is named as the Ramsar Convention since it took place in the Iranian city Ramsar. By this convention, the leaders aimed to protect the important biodiversity and thereby the environment of the earth. This convention defines the important wetlands as areas of marsh, fen, peatland or water, whether it is natural or artificial, static or flowing, temporary or permanent, and it can be oceanic region or marine region. And the one condition for marine region is that at the times of low tide, it should not exceed 6 meters. This is the condition for oceanic or marine region. And the wetlands so declared as important wetlands is known as the Ramsar wetlands. Ramsar wetlands and the Ramsar Convention are in today's news. Let's see why it is in news and more details about this Ramsar Convention and Ramsar sites from the UPSC CSE perspective. Hello everyone, I am Teresa George and welcome to the Environment Current Affairs section of Ekam IAS. Let's first see why the Ramsar sites and the Ramsar Convention are in news. And the news is India adds 5 more Ramsar sites, bringing the total number of Ramsar sites in India to 54. And the newly added Ramsar sites are Karikali Bird Sanctuary and Pallekarne Marsh Reserve Forest, Pichavaram Mangrove Forest. These 3 newly added Ramsar sites belongs to the state Tamil Nadu. And the next one is Sakya Sagar Lake in Madhya Pradesh. And the last one is Parla Wetlands in Mizoram. Let's see more details about these wetlands from the UPSC CSE perspective. And the first one is Karaikal Bird Sanctuary. Karaikal Bird Sanctuary. It is situated in the Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu and it is declared as a bird sanctuary in the year 1988. And the important species over here is northern pintail, gargany, common sandpiper, etc. These are northern pintail species. These species lay their eggs in these grasses, which would help them to protect their eggs from the predators. So, the important species are northern pintail, gargany, common sandpiper, etc. Next, moving on to the Pallekarne Marsh Reserve Forest. It is also located in the state Tamil Nadu. It is a freshwater marshy land as well as a partially saline wetland. It acts as an aquatic buffer. Aquatic buffer in the sense that we are all aware that Chennai is most of the times during rainy season it gets flooded. Yeah. And during the times of flood, this Pallekarne Marsh Reserve Forest absorbs the maximum amount of water. Thereby, it helps to prevent the flood in that region. And during the time of drought, it provides water. Like this, they act as the aquatic buffer. And the important species over here is Russell's viper. It is a very poisonous snake. And glossy base, grey-headed lapwings, pheasant tail. These are some of the important species that are seen over in the Pallekarne Marsh Reserve Forest. And the next wetland is Pichavaram Mangrove. It is also located in Tamil Nadu and it is situated in between the Vellar estuary and the Kularoon estuary and that is near to the Bay of Bengal. It is the third newly added wetland in this state Tamil Nadu and the important species over here is critically endangered great white bellied hero and spoon-billed sandpiper, the endangered spotted green shark and the vulnerable oil-riddled turtle. And this site, Pichavaram Mangrove, is very important for tourism. This is very beautiful site, and that's why it forms an important tourist spot. And the next one is Sakya Sagar Lake in Madhya Pradesh. Sakya Sagar Lake is formed by the river Maniyar, and this lake is very important or very famous for the presence or abundant population of marsh crocodile. This lake is very near to the national park, that is Madhav National Park, and this makes the national park, Madhav National Park and the Sakya Sagar Lake very important for the UPSC CSE examination. And the last wetland that is added to the Ramsar list is the Parla wetland, which is situated in the state Mizoram. It is a deep lake that is surrounded by thick forest. This forest can be at a height of 600 meters above from the sea level. And this wetland host many herbivorous species like swamp deers, etc. And this wetland is managed by the local peoples over there, and these local peoples are known by the name Mara people. This is all about the 5 new wetlands that is added to the Ramsar list, and this is very important from the UPSC exam. Many years for prelims exam, questions has been asked from the Ramsar sites and its location. Best example could be the prelims 2022. So it's very important for the UPSC CSE examination. Now let's move on to the model question. This is the question from according to the UPSC CSE model. Please try to answer this question and comment your answer in the comment box. The answer, the detailed explanation and the material will be provided in our Telegram channels. The Telegram channel's links are provided in the description box. Hope you all are clear about the newly added Ramsar sites in India. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.